story I'm about to tell you is a true one, but still full of unsolved mysteries. In a small town in the heel of Italy, there was a deli which went out of business. Digging in its dusty cabinets, an antique recipe for a pasta with an irresistibly intriguing name was found. The Assassin Spaghetti. Why did they name the pasta that way? Who could possibly be this assassin? Years pass, times change, but this dish does not change its irresistibility, simplicity, and appeal to murderers armed with forks, parading around town in search of the perfectly executed dish for an answer. Why are you called like that? To avoid rumors, misdirections, and inaccuracies on the recipe, an academy is born. At this point, I am sure that you too are curious to execute this dish. The first fundamental step, a feat that will not be easy, is to get a greasy and oily iron pan blackened by heat and time. A pan banned from marketplaces due to it being a health hazard. Could this be the reason this dish is called assassin? Now, pour the extra virgin olive oil with garlic and either fresh or dried chilies. The choice is yours. When the temperature is high enough, throw in the tomato sauce. Be careful. As soon as the tomato hits the oil, the most tempting sizzle will be heard and aroma smelled. The tomatoes should splatter everywhere, like blood gashing out on a fresh crime scene. Could this be the origin of the pasta's infamous name? After a good heating of the tomatoes, spaghettis are added. On high heat, the pasta should be left to fry with more watered-down tomato sauce. Do not be tempted to constantly turn the pasta. It should be left alone until the sauce is completely absorbed. Now comes the haunting dilemma, to add or not to add more water. Just remember to trust your killer's instinct. The pasta will be considered done when the pasta has absorbed all the sauce and starts to slightly burn. The spaghetti should turn out crisp and dry. It seems simple, but it is not. The doubt that you have not added enough water will loom over you, slowly driving you into insanity, killing you inside. Another reason for the dish's name. No, that can't be it. It has to be the amount of chilies and heat, or that the pasta is brutally tortured with hot oil to achieve the perfect texture.
c'ho molto fame. Can you make something for me?
Amore, mi dispiace, ma ho appena preparato una pasta buonissima, la pasta all'assassina. Amore, ti è piaciuta questa pasta?
Era un po' piccante, ma era buonissimo.
Grazie.
Mama, is it really true that every day is a sunny day at Thomas home, even though it's raining?
Ma certo, amore mio, every day